jump to 4 fences. We have the ups to help them get the jumping up in a little while. We get the vertical, we get the jumping a little while. Then we get the jumping the width that they need to get over the wall. We have the triple bar, and then it's down to that big wall. Here is a rider who has had a lot of experience. We saw him tumble once or twice in our highlight video, but you know what? He's won this class a few times as well. Here is Vale and Zippo II. The Mexico built by Liverpool, the Dutch red owned by steady-ear show jumpers. From the United States, his home base just outside of Ocala, Florida. Here's Vale and Zippo II.
Who's Zippo I? What? Who's Zippo I? His dad, maybe? That makes sense.
Pay attention, Zip.
He's so majestic.
It's like a unicorn.
Yeah. What are you doing, guys? Well, you just get so excited.
You have my boots on?
Yeah.
Have they seen his hind end? Zip, zip, right?
Okay, I'm scared.
Oh my god,
One zip, one zip. One zip.
Ladies, good luck. The USA's Vale, Zippo II.
Zippo's like, what? What's going on?
I might say this back.
Oh.
Oh, yes.
taking a shorter approach, the horse is anticipating. He jumps up the right, so he goes the wall. No, that'll scare him. He's blind. And it's off the left, too, to be fair.
So let's really call each other for this horse. So much. Maybe you will never see this guy. But you all know what I see. You're still away. He's 3.
Like even when I showed him, he would jump.
Who's round 4? How many more? Vale, Zippo II.